Hello everyone, this is Satyaprakash. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom pipe in Angular to reverse a string. Along with, I also discuss that is what is the pipe in Angular. So guys, before going through this video, please visit my videos on Angular CLI tutorial. There is one video number 12 and you'll get one video that is related to directives, pipes and routing guards in Angular CLI. So this video is basics to go about the Angular pipe. You can get this video, that is 12 number video, in my playlist called Angular CLI tutorial, and in Angular applications playlist you'll get the some real-time scenarios of Angular applications and how to create and how to implement. So these are the two videos you need to go as a for basic reference before going through this custom pipe in Angular to reverse a string. So guys, in this video we'll discuss that is what are pipes in Angular, built-in pipes in Angular, and steps to create a custom pipe. So what are pipes in Angular? So guys, the pipes in Angular is a kind of function we can directly apply on any expression or value in a template to transform it into some other values. Okay, for example, there is one string, it is in normal form and I want to reverse a string. So how it look like? In this video I'll show you that as an example. So a pipe takes in data as input and transform it into output. The value on which we are applying the pipe is in the input for our pipe function. The value returned from that function will be replaced in original value. And there is some built-in pipes in Angular. So Angular built-in pipes, many built-in pipes in Angular. Some of them are I have mentioned here. That is, one is date, that is to format the date into different types as per the local rules. Uppercase, that is to convert the string in uppercase. Lowercase is to convert the string in lowercase. Currency, that is the transform number to a currency string formatted according to the local rules. Decimal is it will transform the number into a string with a decimal point formatted according to the local rules. Percent, it transforms a number to a percent string formatted according to the local rules. Async is it will subscribe and unsubscribe to an asynchronous source such as an observable. So JSON is to convert a value or object into JSON formatted string. Okay, so these are the definitions of what are pipes and built-in pipes in Angular. So next point is I'll show you what are the steps to create a custom pipe. So guys, to create a custom pipe I have mentioned this steps. Okay, step number 1 is we need to execute this command to create a pipe. Okay, ng generate pipe name is reverse. So I have opened my VS Code. This is my Angular application. Okay, I have used this application in across all my Angular application videos. So you'll get this video, you can get this basics in my this video Angular tutorial, that is how to create an Angular application. And also Angular CLI tutorial will give you basics on that is how to create a Angular CLI application and how it relates to the real-time Angular application. So guys, here I'll open the terminal, your new terminal. Okay, and you just copy this ng generate pipe reverse. Okay, and here it'll, yeah, you can see your path of your project. So you just place here and click enter. After successful execution of this command, you'll get one interface like I have already executed, no need to execute again. So here you can see ng generate pipe. After then it will create two new files, that is reverse.pipe.spec.ts and reverse.pipe.ts, and it will update the app.model.ts file that will import some pipe related statements. So that I'll show you here. So guys, here once you'll get this pipe is created successfully, you'll get these two files here, that is one is reverse.pipe.ts and reverse.pipe.spec.ts. okay, so as I show you, after creating it will update inside app.model.ts file. So if you just open your app.model.ts file, you'll get that. Okay, there is one line automatically added, that is import reverse pipe from, this is the path of reverse pipe, and inside declaration array this reverse pipe is added here, right? So that way it will automatically adding to your app.model.ts file once you create your pipe. Okay, yeah, these two statements will be as for pipe. So if you search here, there is yeah, these two things only. One is reverse what I've created pipe. I import the pipe, and after then I have added this import whatever the okay that reverse pipe inside the declaration array of ng module directive. Okay, so guys, ng module decorator, I have added this reverse pipe. Okay guys, so next step is open the app.model.ts file and see the changes whatever I shown you, right? The reverse pipe is added here, and also the same import reverse pipe also added inside declaration array. So step number 3 is open the reverse.pipe.ts file, and I'll add some required codes. Okay, so guys, here I'll open the reverse.pipe.ts file. Okay, so here you can see this is the import is pipe and pipe transform. Okay, so pipe, if I hover my mouse on the pipe, you can see it is a type of pipe metadata, and it is the interface pipe, and this is the alias of, you can see this details here, right? And what are the type of pipe metadata. Okay, so here, and the pipe transform is, it is a interface. Okay, and you can see an interface that is implemented by pipes in order to perform a transformations. Okay, so if you put your mouse over, you will get the details of it. Okay, and same way for pipe also. Okay guys, so here after then inside pipe I have added, if you just put your mouse over on it, you'll get the details that is inside pipe decorator, that is what the uses of it, and what are the related to the pipe decorator. Okay, and inside I put a name as a reverse, so it will automatically added while we create the pipe reverse. Okay, and here export class reverse pipe. So as I told you, app.model.ts file, it will create already a reverse pipe using from this path. Okay, so export class reverse pipe implements pipe transformation. So I already told you pipe transform, it is a interface. Okay, and then using the transform value, so it is the function. Okay, using this transform function, this value type I mentioned has the parameter, and its type is string, and any argument I have passed here, right? This is the argument type string, and there is one more string here. Okay, and I put a condition that if the value is not null, it will return a value. Okay, and it will return, that is value dot split. Okay, if you put over your mouse, it will get the details of the split. It will split a string into substring using specified separators and return them as an array. And here the reverse, so reverses the element in an array place. Okay, this is the method which mutates the array and returns reference to the same array. And the join here adds all the elements of an array into a string separated by the specified separator string. Okay, so these are completely described if you put over your mouse on a split, reverse, and join. So using these three methods, I can implement the reverse of string pipe using reverse of a string using a custom pipe in Angular. Okay, so that is about the code in reverse.pipe.ts file. So this is the step 3 already discussed. So step 4 is create a new component by using the command, so ng-gc action menu. So again, I'll go to your terminal, put here and press enter, and once successfully executed, you will get the details like here. If you just check my second highlighted box, that is after creating this component, you'll get that component will create 4 files: component html, component.spec.ts, component.ts, and component.css, and same way it will update the app.model.ts file. So guys, here you can see inside action menu, you can see these 4 files has been created. Okay, and along with, if you just open the app.module.ts file, same way as per reverse pipe, it will import the action menu component, and it will be from this path of the component it is created, right? If you put over your mouse, you can see the details path of this component, whatever I created now. And after then, this action component has been added inside the declaration array of ng module decorator. Okay, so you'll see the action menu component is added here inside declarations array. Okay, so there is nothing here. So if you just again cross check, so action, okay, menu, yeah, these 2 lines is added once you create your component. There's action menu component in import section, and inside declarations you just add this action menu component class inside the declaration array. Okay, so this is all about the step 4. Okay, and step 5 is open the action menu.component.html file, and I need to add the required code. So go to action menu component.html file. So guys, here you see there is the code I have added, that is inside div I added some bootstrap classes container and make the style of margin. Okay, I have added 2 tags, okay, to reverse a string. That is, one is reverse of artificial string is here I have used the pipe. So this is the actual string artificial intelligence, and it will reverse the string using the reverse pipe. So I have just put the reverse pipe here as a symbol. Okay, and this is the pipe symbol from your you will get from your keyboard, and I have mentioned the name of our reverse pipe, that is reverse. So how I'll get this reverse, what are the pipe name? If you click on your reverse.pipe.ts file, you can see you have created the name of your pipe is reverse. Okay, and you have mentioned the functionality to reverse a string here, so that to reverse a string in action menu.component.html file, I have added this actual string I need to reverse, and pipe symbol, and then the name of the pipe. Okay, and will reverse the string artificial intelligence. Same way for second string, that is reverse of angular, and the third one is reverse of book pen pencil has space notes, is it will reverse the string, right, for this actual string. So these are the 3 different scenarios. One is 2 words with the space, another one is 1 word, and third one is with word some special characters and spaces. Okay, so it will reverse these all scenarios as expected. And after then I have closed this div tag. So this is all about the code of action menu.component.html file. Okay, so step number 6 is open action menu.component.ts and check the selector. So guys, I already have discussed in my all videos, that is, once you create a component, there is one selector. Every component have a selector, because you need to add the selector in a component.html file, that is your app component file, right, root file. So it is required to check the selector. So as I created one component action menu, so it has a selector, that is the component decorator, and there is selector name is app-action menu. Okay, and the template URL, that is nothing but the component.html file, action menu.component.html file, and the CSS. Okay, CSS is nothing but action menu.component.css. Okay, so that is the selector I can find out from the action menu.component.ts file. And if you put your mouse on selector, you'll get that the selector, the property from the directive. Okay, and you'll get that the selector identifies this directive in a template and triggers instantiation of the directive. And there is few details here: element name, class, attribute value, and selector 1, selector 2. Okay, so in this way we can check the selector of any specific component file. So step number 7 is open the app.component.html file and add the selector to get the result. So I have opened this app.component.html file, okay, and here guys, remember this div tag I have added just as a header, okay, to and here I added one h1 tag to get a header of it. So that is custom pipe in Angular to reverse the string. And remember, I have added this selector with open and closing bracket of action menu, so that while our Angular application will load, it will directly come to this app.component.html file. So indirectly it will call to the action menu.component.html file from app.component.html file. So that I have added the selector of app.component action menu app action menu.component.html file selector that is already inside the action menu.component.ts I have defined here, because whatever functionality I have added to reverse a string I just added inside the HTML file, right? So that while I need to get this output, I need to use the selector of the specific component inside the app.component.html file. So that I have added the selector of action menu component inside the app.component.html file with closing and opening and closing bracket. Okay, so guys, that's all about the steps, total steps 7. So all the steps I've discussed and described. So here, after all these changes, I'll just run my Angular application. So ng sharp. So guys, here you can see my Angular application compiled successfully, okay, and I can get this URL. So I copy this URL, come to my browser and load it. So guys, here you can see this is the output, okay. So as I told you, this is the h1 tag custom pipe in Angular to reverse a string, and these are the outputs it is coming from that selector, okay, that selector. So as per the selector, if you open this action menu.component.html file, I have added 3 strings and it will reverse these three strings, okay. One is artificial intelligence, second one Angular, third one is book comma pens, book comma space pen @pencil space hash space notes space each, okay. So if you just open the browser, you can see reverse of artificial intelligence is, this is the reverse string of artificial intelligence, and this is the reverse of Angular, and this is the reverse of book comma pen @pencil hash notes, okay. So that is the reverse of these 3 different strings with the 3 different scenarios. So guys, in this way we can make our custom pipe using Angular to reverse a string. So I'll go to my presentation. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.